go to the front of the line. As a club member, you receive priority service. When it's the coldest day or hottest day of the year and your unit's broke, and 138 other people called before you did, you are going to be doing the happy dance when you leapfrog to the front of the line. That's reason enough to be a club member. Lower utility bills. A system operating at peak efficiency decreases your monthly utility bill. You'll save more on your utility bills than you'll invest for this special club membership service, so you're making money. Discounted services. You're our buddy, and buddies get inside deals and discounts, including 24-hour, 7-day-a-week emergency service. As long as you're a member, you will never ever pay an overtime emergency charge. Fewer breakdowns. The longer your systems last, the more money you can spend on vacation. Besides, fewer furnace and AC breakdowns save you from having a nervous breakdown. Truly. Extend the life of your system. Being a member of the club keeps your systems working properly for years longer than if they aren't maintained. So instead of a staycation because you had to replace your AC that was never maintained, you can take a real vacation, or two. Double money-back guarantee. Our company is so confident that this rejuvenation service is so spectacular, we offer this bold double money-back guarantee. 1. If your system breaks down for any reason, we will cheerfully refund 100% of your money. 2. If you do not save at least the amount you invested in this phenomenal rejuvenation service, we will also refund 100% of your money. You can take comfort because worries will be off your plate. You'll gain the peace of mind knowing that you are covered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.